Hello and hi everyone. So, this is Google Meet. Thanks to Google for making this app free. And we can rely on this app as it is a product of Google. So, here in this video, we will see how a teacher or a student can use this app very easily, and it is easy to use than the Zoom app. First of all, open the Play Store in your phone. And there you type Google Meet, GOOGLEMEET. When you find that, you just install it. It will take some time depending on the connectivity or the speed of your internet. After installing the app, you just allow all the permission it wants to use microphone and camera. Press continue. After that you log in with your Gmail address. Here I have used two phones, one for teacher and another for student. First I am opening the Google Meet in the teacher's phone. After opening it, we will get two options. That is join meeting and the meeting code. So teacher will select that join meeting. After selecting the join meeting, teacher will get a sharing option. Now teacher can share it to the WhatsApp group of their student, or she can share it individually to anyone. After teachers send that code or the link, the students will get that in their WhatsApp. They will just click the link and select the Google Meet to open it, and that will redirect to the app. Now after sending the link to the student, teacher will return back to the Google Meet app and will stay in this page. Further going back, may close the app also. So stay in this page. On the other hand, student will open the app through that link and will get a interface like this. And student will get here two options: ask to join and present. So present is that where you can share your screen with your teacher, or teacher can also share their screen with you. So here we are first using this present option. When we press this present option, when student will press the present option, they will get this interface and will ask for continue. Then press continue. As soon as you press continue, teacher will get a option that to allow you. Teacher will admit that, and your screen will be connected with the teacher's phone. Whatever you want to show in your phone, teacher can see it. And if teacher wants to share their screen also, they can also do in the same way. So start the presentation like this and your screen will be shared. See, whatever is I am doing in the student's phone, it can be visible in the teacher's phone. So coming back, we will start using that join meeting. So if you do that join meeting, teacher will also get that admit option. Teacher will admit you and your phone will be connected. You can talk to your teacher with video call or only audio call, whatever you like. You can also mute your audio and off your video by these options, and teacher can also do that also in the same way. And here is also another feature, that is chat option. If teacher wants to tell something in the video chat, he or she can also do it. See, I am typing something in the teacher's phone and it goes in the student's phone, and student can also do like that, chat with their teacher. Very easy to use it. We can also use it in our laptop also. Not only teachers and students, but also anyone, corporate office or any group can use this app very easily. Thanks for watching our video.